Okay, so this is a presentation on what I would want students to do in regards to a basic geography project. So here is the World Geography Third Standard, explain the use of major geographic concepts, e.g. globalization, location, patterns, place, region, scale, site, and situation. So basically what I want is for students to be able to take states, provinces, countries, whatever they want, and compare those with another, and I will show how in a second. Now there are a variety of apps. Apparently I mixed up my apps. I got some of the wording is off here. So the first app is the true size of. Now I said that this is the reference app. This isn't actually the reference app. This is the what students will use to actually compare, just because I found it easier. I don't know why I didn't put this app second in the presentation, but I was tired when I made this, so I apologize. But basically, what students are going to do is use this website, the true size of, to compare the size of countries, provinces, states, what have you, and I will show an example of that here in a minute. There's another app known as MapFrappe. Now I said after finding a specific geographical body, they don't have to. They can just use a true size of if they want to. But regardless of which one they use, the second half of this is very important. After they, no pun intended, find their findings, they will write a one-page Word document on what they found and will be graded on a rubric of my own standard. Going along the guidelines of the Tennessee State Standard. They will use, they can use, Word, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, any Word document. I would request that they make said Word document one page, minimum 100 words, 12-point font, double-spaced, and just write about the general geography, the shape, how the countries compare, if you will. And along with writing a Word document, they will also give that Word document as a speech in class, on top of doing a PowerPoint presentation. Now, once again, they don't have to use this presentation app. This is just an example. They can use PowerPoint on Microsoft. They can use Google Slides. They can use whatever they want. This is just an example. This is Haiku Deck. It's a PowerPoint presentation app on the iPad. And this is just an example. So now I will show one of the apps and just give an example on what students can write about. Okay, so this is one of the applications. This is the true size of. It is a geography app that accurately compares the sizes of states, provinces, and countries all over the world to each other based on their actual geographical size. As you can see, for example, Alaska is the largest state of the United States. So how this works is there's this box over here. I'm going to clear the map here. So let's zoom in here really quickly. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so let's say I want to take Tennessee, and so I'll just type in Tennessee. Okay, and here Tennessee is highlighted. And let's say I want to put it over here, where in the British Isles, across Ireland and the United Kingdom. Now, this is something that students could write about. Take notice of how the state of Tennessee crosses the entire British Isles. This is one state that covers not one, not two, but possibly 3 countries even. Maybe I could drag it down here and it could cover Wales down here in South. It covers Wales. So this one state can cover 3 countries at a time. Ireland, Wales, England, or Ireland, England, and possibly Scotland if I squeeze it enough. Maybe Scotland's probably too north. But this is just an example of what kids can do. Just write about, comparing and contrasting states, provinces, and countries to other states, provinces, and countries. Try and keep students from copying each other. For example, if someone does Tennessee, another student can't do Tennessee. If one student does Oklahoma, another student can't do Oklahoma, etc. So, that's just a basic outline of the presentation, and wish my students good luck.